Mga taong api, mga taong dukha, mga kulang palad at mga kawawa, kawaling maliit, estudyante at walang
Ang Partido Komunista ng Pilipinas, Timog Katagalugan, National Democratic Front of the Philippines, Communist Party of the Philippines, Southern Tagalog Regional Party Committee, Rizal Provincial Party Committee. Order of release. By virtue of the power delegated by the National Executive Committee of the National Democratic Front of the Philippines, on behalf of the Communist Party of the Philippines, the New People's Army, and the organs of political power concerned, in compliance with the Geneva Convention of August 12, 1949 in its protocols, pursuant to the decision taken by the organs of People's Democratic Government, in my capacity as the duly authorized representative and authority of Southern Tagalog Regional Party Committee of the Communist Party of the Philippines, I hereby order the release by the Milito Glor Command of the New People's Army and its Regional Party Committee of the Communist Party of the Philippines. I hereby order the release by the Milito Glor Command of the New People's Army and its Narciso Antaso Aramil Command of the prisoner of war named hereunder. Name of prisoner, Rex Kuntapay. Prisoner of war, Marvin Agasen. Prisoner of war, Alberto de la Cruz Umali. The information on the circumstances of arrest, charges and status of proceedings, current condition of detention, and the status of health is provided to the NDFP negotiating panel and the Communist Party of the Philippines in documents other than this order of release. The release of the above named prisoner of war is hereby being ordered and issued after due consideration of the following. Number 1, after the capture of the prisoner, he has been investigated by responsible organs of the detaining power and no sufficient evidence has been established to warrant his prosecution for serious crimes committed against the Filipino people and the revolutionary movement. Number 2, the prisoner's release is being ordered in compliance with the NDFP long-standing policy of lenient treatment of prisoners of war in its declaration of undertaking to apply the provisions of the 1949 Geneva Convention and Protocol 1 thereto, dated July 5, 1996, which was deposited with the Swiss Federal Council as official depository of said instrument and the Comprehensive Agreement on Respect for Human Rights and International Humanitarian Law, o CARIL, between the Government of the Republic of the Philippines and the National Democratic Front of the Philippines. Number 3, this order of release is an act in the exercise of political power and the authority of the People's Democratic Government and is done on humanitarian grounds and as an act of goodwill on the occasion of the year-long celebration of the 40th anniversary of the Communist Party of the Philippines and the New People's Army. This order of release is likewise the NDFP's act of goodwill and favorable response to the appeals of the family of the prisoners of war and the widespread calls of well-meaning parties and personages that have expressed support for a negotiated settlement on the issue of prisoners of war within the purview of Comprehensive Agreement on Respect for Human Rights and International Humanitarian Law and Geneva Convention in its protocol. Upon receipt of this order of release, the custodian shall inform the prisoner of war of his release and prepare for the release in accordance with the required procedure in a safe, orderly, and expeditious manner. The implementation of this order of release shall be completed upon the delivery of the above-mentioned prisoner of war to the representative of the International Committee of the Red Cross or to the personages who have volunteered and were authorized to receive him on behalf of the family of the prisoner of war. Southern Tagalog, Philippines, March 27, 2009. On behalf of the Southern Tagalog Regional Party Committee and the Communist Party of the Philippines, signed, Serv Del Fiero.
Yung mga madudulas na daan. Taas ang bundok, akit baba kami. Sa mga ilog, lusong din kami, malakas ang agos. Malilimutan yung mga yun. Tsaka pagka inip, gusto na makauwi sa pamilya.
Gaano ba kayo tumagal dito?
Kulang-kulang 3 buwan.
Tatlong.
Maayos naman ang pagtalo sa amin.
Hindi kayo sinaktan, hindi kayo tinakot.
Ay, hindi. Ay, ako naman yung bata ako, naririnig ko na rin yan kasi gawa na dito sa Montalban, meron nga talaga dito eh. Pero hindi pa tumatayam sa isip ko na ipag-isipan ng mga matasama. Basta normal lang sa akin. Galing nga sa dalawang gobyerno meron tayo sa Pilipinas. Sila, tsaka DRP. Pinaglalaban nila yung mga magsasaka, mga may hirap. Babalik. Kailangan kasi tayo ng serbisyo rin natin.
Pag nakikita mo yung bundok, yung pag-ahon sa bundok, yung mahirap gawin. Kung nakikita mo rin yung mga ilog, maaaring tangahin ka sa lakas ng agos. Tapos kung kumakain ka rin, mga iba't ibang klaseng pagkain dito sa lupat, nakakain din. Kung anong pagkain nila, kailangan kainin din namin. Okay no, masaya na rin, palaya na rin. Buti naman at sumunod sila sa isang agreement sa pagitan ng gobyerno sa NDF.
Hindi ka nakaranas ng pananakit o pananakot.
Wala naman. Siyempre, ang normal na kaisipan natin dyan. Ayun, yung mga pagka nahuli ka, tutuklapan ka naman pa. Pero sumusunod din pala sila sa batas. May batas ng tikman. Siyempre, andyan sila dahil yung sa hirap ng buhay. Gusto nila pantay-pantay ang lahat ng mga tao dito sa naninirahan dito sa Pilipinas. Walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Gaya nga nung inoobserba sa kanila, kung ano kinakain sa akin, nang isa sa kanila, kinakain nila lahat. Hati-hati yung pagkain. Hindi pwedeng yung isa gutom, yung isa busog. Kailangan pantay-pantay.
Anong plano mo pagkatapos ito? Babalik ka na ba kagad sa serbisyo?
Doon mo tayo nabubuhay. Hindi kailangan bumalik sa trabaho para gampanan ulit yung dating trabaho.
Okay, masayang dahil makakapiling na uli ng pamilya, siyempre.
Kumusta yung pagtrato sa inyo ng mga kumuha sa inyo?
Ayos naman, binigay nila yung karapatan namin bilang tao. Ayos naman yung trato nila sa amin.
Walang pananakit o pananakot?
Ay, walang nangyaring gano'n. Siyempre, pagpanik ng mataas na bundok. Dahil minsan hindi ko naisip na papanik ako ron eh. Nangyari. Kaya siguro yun. Tsaka yung pagkain gubat na hindi ko alam na pwede palang kainin. Yun ang usually, siyempre, hindi ko malilimutan.
From the province. Senator Maria, nice to meet you. Welcome to the Manifest.
Our pick-up. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Your family is expecting you later. All the best. Thank you. Ingat kayo. Usapan natin.
Saan sila sasakay?
Meron ako sa pamilya baba. Yung sinasakyan doon yung mga pamilya. Sasakyan na kailangan.
Kahit neck down lang.